Hello guys, welcome to Pixedu YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn about Parent Tool. So what is Parent Tool? Parent Tool is a tool in After Effects which basically allows one or more layer to copy a specific layer. So let's do a practical. It will give you a better understanding. So what we will first do, we will make a circle. Consider this circle as a ball. Now we will give position to it. So as you can see, we have given position to the ball. What if we want to give same position keyframe to multiple balls? So let's make multiple balls. Now we have made multiple balls. What if we want to give same position to all these balls as the center one? So if we will give same position keyframes to every ball separately, it will consume our lot of time. So what we have to do, simply select all the layers to which we have to give position same as the shape layer one. This is our parent tool icon. We have to just hold it and drag and drop this line to the shape layer one. Now shape layer 2 to 7, every layer has become children of shape layer 1. I am saying children because how a children follows his parents, same way these layers will also follow layer 1. Now you can see we just dragged and drop a line through parent tool. Now let me show you another example. I hope this example gave you a very much clear vision about parent tool. Now we have created the body, the head, and these two legs. Now what we have to set our anchor point according to every layer. Like leg joint is here, and head joint is here. So we have to make this human walk. So what we will do? First we will connect these three layers, head and both legs, to shape layer 2, which is body. For your reference, let me make it body. This left leg, this one right leg, this one head. Now connect head, left leg and right leg to body through parent tool. So now if we will go to body and give it position, you can see both leg and head is influenced by body. Same for rotation. When you will rotate the body, both legs and head will rotate. But through parent tool, these both legs and head is influenced by body. But now also, even after parenting these layers, you can separately animate every layer. Let me show you. Like the body is here. We have given the position. Now let the man is walking from here to here. This is little too fast. Let's increase 1 second more. Now you can see I have given position to only body, but leg and head is also going from same position to same position as the body. So now we have to move legs. So now what we will do, we will go to right leg, we will click rotation, we will put keyframe, and now we can rotate the leg separately, even it is parented to your body. Same do for left leg rotation. Please don't mind how my human is made, because I'm just explaining you in a simplest way. So this is how you can parent different layers to a specific layer, not affecting its animation or transformation completely. So this parent tool helps you to make your animation workflow faster and easier. I hope you guys understand about parent tool. If you have any query or any questions, you can comment down below. I will give answer of every question. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.